is our touchscreen double beam spectrophotometer. This is our sample compartment. This is reference cell holder, and this is our sample cell holder. This is our main menu after switching on the instrument. So first one is our basic mode, which is called photometry. So just touch on photometry measurement. Just input your wavelength here and enter your desirable wavelength to be tested. Like 240 is our desired wavelength to be tested, and enter this wavelength and press enter. It will automatically adjust the wavelength. After that, input here your blank solution in both the cuvette holders, blank solution or your reference solution, anything. After that, close this compartment and press this auto zero button. It will auto zero. This is auto zero is done. After that, open this cell holder, remove from here your reference cell, and input your sample to be tested. Just input your sample and just close the shutter. It will directly show you the results here. So this is how you can take the readings of any sample. This is absorbance mode, and if you want to take the transmission reading, just press this button. The data will automatically convert into transmittance mode. So this is it in photometric measurement. After that, going back to the previous menu, main menu, just touch on the menu. This is our main menu again. After that, next mode is spectrum measurement. This is our wavelength scan mode. So first of all, we have to do a parameter setting. Input your testing mode, transmittance, absorbance on energy, which curve you want to see. After that, input your record data, minimum value and maximum value of the spectrums. Then minimum wavelength and maximum wavelength, that is range. And this is speed of the scan, slow, medium and fast. You can select any of it between this. After that, select the interval you want to take the results, and after that press this OK button, then set scale. Now just input your blank solution here in both the cuvettes and press this baseline. It will create a baseline on the complete range 190 to 1100 nanometers. See, the wavelength is running here. The auto zero and baseline is creating on complete wavelength here. design is done. After that, open this sample compartment. From here you can replace your sample to be tested, and close the shutter and touch this test button. It will show you the graph of the sample here when the original sample will be inputting in the sample holder. So this is our wavelength scan mode, spectrum measurement. So we are going to the main menu again. After that, kinetic analysis. It is same as wavelength scan mode. We have to do parameter setting. It is against time. We have to take the spectra. Input your single wavelength. This is your mode, transmittance and absorbance. And time, how many time you want to take the test, how many minutes or how many seconds. And this is your records, this interval, and click OK. The same procedure is here. Input your reference sample in both the holders. Click this auto zero button, and after that, calibration done. Just replace your sample from this holder and click on the test button. It will show you the graph here. And next one is our quantitative measurement. This is for the concentration measurement. So there are three methods: K coefficient method, single point calibration, and multi-point calibration. First one is K coefficient method. So in this method we have to go to the parameter settings, input your wavelength, then this will be your unit selection of the sample. This is a formula, and in here K and B we have to input this K factor value and B factor value manually by this, just like this, 10 or 20 for example, and click OK. The values will be shown here in wavelength, absorbance, K factor value, B factor value. After that, input your reference solution, click this auto zero button, and replace your sample from this holder, and click on the test button from any unknown sample whose concentration we want to test. So it will show you the absorbance value of the sample and concentration value of the unknown sample. So this is our K coefficient method, when we have the K factor value and B factor value. And if we don't have the K factor and B factor, then we go to the single point measurement for the known concentration. So go to the parameter setting, input your wavelength, then your unit selection, then your unknown concentration value here, like 5 is our concentration, enter, then OK. The same procedure, input your reference solution in both the holders, click this auto zero button, and replace your sample. After that, 0 is done. Then click test. So after that single point measurement, we are next step is multi-point calibration, in this mode we can calibrate this with our 1 or 2 or maximum 10 samples for the known concentration value. So go to the parameter setting, input your wavelength, unit of the sample, then click on the calibration, and input your known concentration. Maximum 10 samples you can input the values one by one. this, just input your reference sample in both the folders. Click on this auto zero button. In all the modes or methods, the procedure will be same. First of all, you have to do the auto zero with your reference samples, then click on the test. So in this, auto zero is done, and then click on the first concentration here, then click C for the calculate. This is your first absorbance value with the known concentration, then replace your 7 number concentration, then click C, then next, replace your next sample with known value of 8, click C, same like this. After that, all values is calculated. You can see the curve also by clicking on this curve. This will be your linear curve when the known concentration values will be done. After that, you go back to display data, and again this is a main menu. First finish, okay, and menu. After that, the last mode is our multi-wavelength mode measurement. There are 5 maximum wavelengths you can take, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one by one you can enter your desirable wavelength. Procedure will be same. This is your mode selection button, transmittance and absorbance. There are 2 modes. You can see that by clicking this, here will be your mode selection changes. So the procedure is same. Input your blank solution, click this auto zero button, it will zero on all these wavelengths, and after that place your sample to be tested and click on the test. It will show you the results on all these wavelengths on a single go. So that's it, and this is for our system settings. This is, you can't no need to do anything. So this is all it.